Welcome to Macro Money Talk, where we dissect the hidden financial traps keeping you from the wealth you truly deserve. Many people work tirelessly every single day, yet they find themselves stuck in a vicious cycle of endless financial struggle. We have identified fundamental mistakes in mindset and action that act as invisible chains, holding back your true economic potential. The first major error is understanding economic value. You believe hard work alone is the key, but that is incorrect. You are currently trading your limited time for money, but the market does not value your time, only your skills. Your time is not worth much if you lack specialized skills or tangible proof of your competence in the marketplace. To increase your income, you must become more valuable to the economy, rather than simply working longer and harder hours. The market pays for value, rarity, and solutions. If you are easily replaceable, your financial growth will always remain stagnant. This leads us to the second mistake, the income ceiling. Your earnings are strictly limited by the hours you work. There are only 24 hours in a day. Even if you work them all, your income has a hard mathematical limit. Meanwhile, the cost of living is rising faster than your ability to learn new skills or execute your current tasks. Inflation is a silent thief. It erodes your purchasing power while your capped income struggles to keep up with reality. You are running on a hedonic treadmill, working harder just to stay in the exact same financial place as before. The third mistake is prioritizing paying everyone else before yourself. You act as a conduit for money, not a container. When you spend your entire salary on bills and shopping, you are effectively making other people rich, not yourself. You must shift your mindset to pay yourself first. This means investing a portion of your income before spending anything. Paying yourself is not about buying treats. It is about acquiring assets that will work for you in the future. By reversing the flow of your money, you ensure that your future self is secure before satisfying your present desires. This brings us to mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. You are poor when you try to look rich to others. Many people spend money they do not have, to buy things they do not need, to impress people they dislike. Spending more than 20% of your income on rent or luxury travel without a safety net is financial suicide. Real wealth is often invisible. It is the money you do not spend, the investments compounding quietly in the background. You are truly rich when you are comfortable appearing poor, because your confidence comes from assets, not from your appearance. Building a high-cost lifestyle without a solid financial foundation is like building a castle on sand. It will collapse. Mistake number 5 is prioritizing entertainment over education. This is a critical error that keeps the poor permanently poor. There is a direct and undeniable correlation between the money you spend on self-education and the income you eventually earn. If you are not constantly learning how to do more valuable things, your income will never rise above inflation. The most profitable investment you can ever make is in your own brain. It yields the highest returns over time. Wealthy people have large libraries, while poor people have large televisions. The choice of media defines your future trajectory. Acquiring new skills is the only way to climb the economic ladder. Without them, you remain stuck on the ground. Mistake number 6 is a toxic mindset, believing that rich people are evil or that wealth is purely luck. This belief is a psychological defense mechanism. It allows you to avoid taking responsibility for your own financial situation. If you believe the game is rigged, you will never try to play. And if you do not play, you lose. While luck plays a role, consistent wealth is the result of strategy, discipline, and providing massive value to society. You must stop resenting success and start studying it. Replace envy with curiosity to unlock the secrets of wealth creation. Mistake number 7 is critical: not owning income-generating assets. You must make money even while you are fast asleep. If you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the day you die. Assets like stocks, real estate, or business equity grow in value independently of your time. They are your freedom. Relying solely on a salary is dangerous. When you stop working, the money stops flowing, unless you own productive assets. Your goal should be to accumulate enough assets so that their passive income covers your living expenses completely and forever. Mistake number 8 is your environment, the echo chamber. If your friends are broke, poverty becomes your normal reality. We become the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. Their standards become your standards. This is the crab in a bucket mentality. Your old circle may subconsciously sabotage your success to feel better. You need to find friends who have higher standards, who challenge you, and who normalize success rather than complaining. Elevating your circle does not mean abandoning old friends, but it means prioritizing relationships that push you towards growth. Mistake number 9 is fearing asymmetric risk. You avoid small risks with huge upside, but accept big risks with small upside. Asymmetric risk means the potential reward is exponentially higher than the potential loss, like starting a side business or learning. Conversely, you take bad risks by going into debt for liabilities. The upside is temporary joy. The downside is ruin. Wealthy people hunt for asymmetric opportunities. They are willing to lose a little time or money for a massive win. You only need to be right once to change your life forever. But you must be willing to take the shot. Comfort is the enemy of progress. If you never step out of your safety zone, you will never find treasure. Saving cash is actually a risk. You are guaranteed to lose value over time. Investing is the only true safety. Building a product, a brand, or a skill set costs little money but has the potential to generate millions. The fear of failure paralyzes you. But in the game of wealth, failure is just tuition you pay for success. Every mistake is a lesson. If you learn from it, you have gained an asset that no one can take away. We must also address the distraction economy. Your attention is being harvested by corporations for their profit, not yours. Reclaim your attention. Focus is the new currency. The ability to concentrate deeply is a superpower in the modern age. Clarity of mind leads to clarity of action. When you are not distracted, you can see the opportunities others miss. You cannot manage what you do not measure. Track your net worth, your spending, and your progress religiously every month. Seeing your progress visually is a powerful motivator. It turns the boring process of saving into an exciting game. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want
Gently
now.
place it right there.
Short-term sacrifice leads to
Good.
long-term
Now pack the
freedom.
dirt down so it
Imagine a
stays
life
strong.
where
Like
you
this,
do not
Dad.
have to work.
Perfect, son.
You work because you choose to, not because you must. Wealth is a strategy game. You must learn the rules, master the moves, and play with intention to win. True wealth is also about legacy. It is about breaking the cycle of poverty for your family and future generations. You have the power to change your financial DNA. It starts with a decision to reject mediocrity and embrace excellence. Break the chains of limiting beliefs. You are not destined to be poor. You are only programmed to be poor. Reprogram your mind with books, podcasts, and mentors. Change your input to change your output in the real world. The path is not easy, but the view from the top is worth every drop of sweat and every sacrifice. You have the potential. You have the knowledge. Now, the only missing ingredient is your massive, relentless execution. When you fix these mistakes, your financial life will operate like a well-oiled machine, generating wealth automatically. You now hold the keys. The door to financial freedom is in front of you. Will you walk through it? Start small. Be consistent. Let the compound effect work its magic over years, not days.
I made it.
Patience is your ally. Take action today. Cancel that subscription. Read that finance book. Open that investment account. Do something immediately. Write down your goals. Make them clear, measurable, and time-bound. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, keep moving forward, and never ever give up. And when you make it, reach back and help others. True wealth is not just hoarding, but empowering those around you. The world is full of abundance. There is no shortage of money, only a shortage of people thinking correctly about it. Imagine the feeling of waking up with zero debt and a portfolio that pays for your lifestyle. That is freedom. Focus on real value, ignore the noise, build a fortress of assets that can withstand any economic storm or crisis. Financial literacy is the language of the rich. Master this language, and you can navigate any market condition effortlessly. Build the bridge from where you are to where you want to be. Each smart financial decision is a plank. Saying no to temporary pleasure is saying yes to permanent freedom. Your future self will thank you for your discipline. Adopt the perspective of an eagle. Look at the long term. Do not get distracted by the mice on the ground.
There you go.
Eliminate
Put it right
bad
on the
debt
spot.
ruthlessly.
Good
It is a
job, you
cancer
did
to your
it.
wealth. Cut it out so your financial health can recover. Financial peace is not about having a Ferrari. It is about sleeping soundly at night, knowing you are secure. Start today. It does not matter how little you have. The habit is more important than the amount. Eventually, you will reach a tipping point where your money makes more money than your labor ever could. Let today be the day you draw a line in the sand. No more excuses, no more financial mistakes. We are living in the greatest era of opportunity in human history. The tools are available to everyone, including you. You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need to take the first step with faith and courage. You are the captain of your ship. Stop letting the currents of the economy drift you to places you hate. Let knowledge be your lighthouse. Keep learning, keep adapting, and you will navigate safely to the shores of wealth. Money is not everything, but it solves money problems. And money problems are the cause of most human stress. We have given you the pieces of the puzzle. It is now up to you to put them together. Do not fear mistakes. Fear being in the exact same place next year as you are right now. The time for analysis paralysis is over. The time for action is now. Your future self is waiting. Keep your vision clear. When the road gets hard, remember why you started and where you are going. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Most people give up just before the breakthrough. You must stay the course. Pressure creates diamonds. Do not run from the struggle of building wealth. Embrace it as the forge of your character. Open your mind to abundance. Believe that you deserve wealth, and you will begin to see ways to create it. Wealth allows you to be generous. It amplifies who you are. Be a good person, and money will do good. As you grow, new doors will open. Opportunities you cannot even imagine right now will present themselves to you. You are the hero of your own story. Do not let financial illiteracy be the villain that defeats you. This video is just the beginning. The real work happens when you turn off the screen and take action. We believe in your ability to change. You have the power to rewrite your financial destiny, starting right now. Remember the core pillars: create value, buy assets, protect your mindset, and manage your risk intelligently. Walk away from the herd. Choose the path less traveled. It is lonely at first, but it leads to paradise. Your life is passing by. Do not waste another year making the same financial mistakes. Break the cycle today. Ignite the fire within you. Let your desire for freedom burn brighter than your fear of failure or judgment. Join us on this journey. We are building a community of wealth builders who refuse to accept mediocrity. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us spread this message to millions. Turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. We release deep dives into money and mindset every week. Thank you for watching Macro Money Talk. Subscribe now to transform your financial future and master the game of wealth.